Gopi makes a price on a product in order to make 20% profit. So Gopi markup is 20%. He mark up the product by 20%. Ravi gets 10% discount in this marked price. So Ravi is a customer, he is buying it from Gopi and he is getting 10% discount on this marked price and thus saves rupees 15. So 15 rupees he is saving. Then the profit in rupees made by Gopi by selling the product to Ravi. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's see from the Gopi point. Okay, so let's say this is the CP, profit, SP, discount and the marked price. Okay, now what I'm doing is, let us assume that Gopi's cost price was 100 units. 100 units. So Gopi cost price was 100, let's say. This number right now I'm not using. This is the real number. I'm using some imaginary number. I'm just using some assumed numbers, right? Okay. So let's keep this 15 aside. So let's say Gopi's cost price is 100, right? Okay. And Gopi is marking 20% up. So 20% up means 20 rupees up. So Gopi's marked price is 120, right? Okay. It's 120. Now Ravi is buying this product and he's getting 10% discount. So Ravi is getting 10% of 120. 10% of 120 is 12 rupees. So he's getting 12 rupees discount. So he's buying for 120 minus 12. That is for 108 rupees. Now Gopi bought for 100, selling for 108. So how much profit Gopi is making? Gopi is making profit 8 units, right? These numbers are not the real number. These are the assumed numbers. We have to go to real data. This is the real data, right? Now we see that here we have to, Gopi is saving how much? Ravi is saving 15 rupees. Okay, how much is saving here? 12, right? Ravi is getting 12 rupees, 12 unit discount. So this 12 in actual it is 15 rupees. So this 12 units correspond to 15 rupees actually, right? So we have to find the profit of Gopi. Gopi's profit is 8 units, right? So if 12 is 15 rupees, 8 will be corresponding to how much rupees? Now it will be directly proportional, right? So 12 is corresponding 15. So 1 will correspond 15 by 12. So 8 will correspond to into 8. 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja, 3 5 ja, so 5 2 ja 10. So the answer is 10 rupees, right? So 10 is the profit of Gopi. So that's option 3. I hope this is clear.